Yo, what's up everyone? It's your name and welcome back. It's day 2 of the 30-day YouTube monetization challenge, and I'm pumped to dive into something super crucial, choosing your niche. Yesterday, we laid the groundwork, and today, we're talking strategy. Think of your niche as your YouTube identity. It's the core that attracts the right viewers, determines your growth, and how much you can earn. If you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get this thing started. Alright, before we jump into the good stuff, let's break down what a YouTube niche actually is. In simple terms, it's like your channel's major. Is it tech? Is it gaming? Is it cooking? You pick a lane and that becomes your thing. Now you might be thinking, why does this even matter? Trust me, it matters. Choosing the right niche can make or break your channel. It's all about strategy, and here's why. First up, we've got the YouTube algorithm. This thing is constantly learning, trying to figure out who to recommend your videos to. When you have a clear niche, the algorithm knows exactly who your audience is. That means more views, more subscribers, and ultimately, more growth for your channel. Next, let's talk about the money. Not all niches are created equal when it comes to monetization. Some niches attract higher-paying ads and brand deals. It's like choosing between economy and first class for your channel's earnings. A well-defined niche helps you attract a loyal audience that's genuinely interested in what you have to say. So, before we move on, hit me with it in the comments. What niche are you considering for your YouTube channel? Now let's get down to business. Choosing a YouTube niche is kind of like picking the right smartphone. You don't just grab the first one you see. You need to consider your options, weigh the pros and cons, and find the perfect fit. So, to help you out, I've got 3 golden rules that will guide you towards YouTube success. Golden rule number 1. Passion. Do you absolutely love it? This is huge. You've got to be passionate about your niche because you're going to be creating content around it day in and day out. Ask yourself, can I talk about this topic for years without getting bored? If the answer is a resounding yes, then you're off to a good start. Passion fuels consistency, and consistency is key on YouTube. But if you're already feeling lukewarm about your niche, you might burn out faster than a phone with a bad battery. Think about it. If you're into tech like me, reviewing the latest gadgets, talking specs, and geeking out over new features is exciting. Or maybe you're a fitness fanatic who loves sharing workout routines, healthy recipes, and motivating others. That passion will shine through in your videos. Now, write down at least 3 topics you're truly passionate about. We'll use these as a starting point. Golden rule number 2, demand. Are people actually searching for it? Okay, so you've found your passion, but here's the catch. Even if you love something, it needs to have an audience on YouTube. If nobody is searching for it, your channel is going to be like that one app nobody downloads. So, how do you check for demand? YouTube's search bar is your best friend. Start typing your niche and see what auto suggests. These are popular searches, my friend. You can also use Google Trends to see if interest in your niche is going up or down. And don't forget about competitor research. Are there other channels in your niche that are killing it? If so, that's a good sign. It means there's an audience hungry for that content. High-demand niches are constantly evolving, but some evergreen examples include personal finance, gaming, and the ever-growing world of online business. These niches have massive audiences, which means more potential viewers for your videos. Right now, pause the video and search for your niche on YouTube. See what comes up. Are there videos with tons of views and engagement? If so, you're on the right track. Golden rule number 3, profitability. Can you actually make money from it? Let's be real, monetizing your channel is probably a big reason why you're here, and that's totally cool. But here's the thing, some niches are more profitable than others. It's all about CPM, which stands for cost per meal, or in simpler terms, how much advertisers pay for 1,000 views. Niches like finance, tech, and business usually have higher CPMs because they attract big spending advertisers. The key is to find a balance between your passion, the demand, and the monetization potential. We've talked about finding your passion, we've covered the importance of demand, and we've even dived into the world of CPMs. Now let's get specific and explore some of the most profitable YouTube niches out there right now. Number 1 on our list is the world of online business and making money online. This niche is booming because, let's face it, who doesn't want to learn the secrets to financial freedom? With high CPMs and tons of affiliate marketing opportunities, this niche is a goldmine for creators who can crack the code. Next up, we have the ever-evolving world of technology and gadgets. From smartphone reviews to the latest and greatest tech innovations, this niche is a magnet for advertisers. Tech enthusiasts are always hungry for the latest and greatest, and brands are willing to pay top dollar to reach them. Speaking of high-paying advertisers, the finance and investing niche is a heavyweight contender. With CPMs that can reach astronomical levels, this niche is not for the faint of heart, but if you've got the knowledge and the charisma to break down complex financial concepts, this could be your ticket to YouTube riches. Health and fitness is another evergreen niche that shows no signs of slowing down. People are always looking for ways to improve their health, whether it's through workout routines, nutrition advice, or mindfulness practices. This niche offers a wide range of monetization options, from sponsorships to selling your own products or services. Now, let's talk about self-improvement and productivity. In today's fast-paced world, people are constantly searching for ways to level up their lives. This niche is all about personal growth, mindset, and achieving your goals. With high audience retention and a dedicated following, this niche is perfect for creators who love to inspire and motivate. Education and how-to videos are another fantastic option. Whether you're teaching people how to code, cook, or speak a new language, educational content is always in demand. Plus, these videos tend to have a long shelf life, which means they can continue to generate views and revenue for years to come. Real estate and home improvement is a lucrative niche with high-ticket products and services. From virtual tours to DIY renovation tips, this niche offers plenty of opportunities for sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even lead generation for real estate agents. If you're all about the finer things in life, the luxury and travel niche might be your calling. This niche is all about showcasing exotic destinations, luxury goods, and exclusive experiences. With high-end brands lining up to collaborate, this niche offers incredible earning potential. So, which niche speaks to you the most? Let me know in the comments. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground today. We've talked about the importance of choosing the right niche, the 3 golden rules, and even explored some of the most profitable niches out there. Now it's time to put all of this knowledge into action and choose your final niche. Don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. I've got a simple 4-step action plan that will guide you through the process. Step 1. Remember those 3 topics you're passionate about that we talked about earlier? Grab that list and let's review it. Which of these topics truly excites you? Which one can you see yourself creating content around for years to come? Step 2. Now it's time to put your detective hat on and do some research. Head over to YouTube and Google Trends and start digging into those niches. Are people searching for them? Are there established channels that are thriving? The more data you gather, the better equipped you'll be to make an informed decision. Step 3. Money, money, money. It's time to assess the monetization potential of each niche. Check out the CPMs, explore affiliate marketing opportunities, and see if there are any brands that are actively sponsoring creators in those spaces. Remember, finding a niche that aligns with your financial goals is key. Step 4. This is it, the moment of truth. Based on your research and gut feeling, it's time to choose the one niche that you're going to commit to. This is where you channel your inner Steve Jobs and say, this is it. This is my niche. This is where I'm going to make my mark on YouTube. Once you've made your decision, I want you to shout it from the rooftops, or at least type it in the comments below. Great job today. You've learned how to pick a profitable and sustainable niche. Now here's your homework. Finalize your YouTube niche. Really think about it. What gets you fired up? What do you know you can consistently create content around? Research at least 3 competitors in your niche. Comment, my niche is your niche, below. Let's build a community around your passion. Tomorrow in day 3, we'll dive into finding viral video ideas so you never run out of content. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next video. Let's make YouTube your business.